guys, I'm here with the rest of my order, I think. So I'm going to open everything, give you an unboxing of what came in the mail today. Final consensus, everything fits well, even the large versus extra large of the white two-piece. However, that blue bodysuit is too tight in my opinion, so I'm gonna exchange it for an extra large, and then I think I'll be good with that. So I'm gonna wear the Palazzo pants to work on Monday, and I'm gonna do an outfit of the day with that. So see how I pair that with my accessories, but everything else has been great. I even was surprised by the crop top two-piece set. I don't normally wear crop tops, so that one makes me feel like fashionable and really put together, and it makes me happy. So I'm very pleased with everything. I can't wait for it to get cooler so I can wear long pants and not do this. But see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.